Hello and welcome back to learning Fibonacci's. As you can see, this is once again the Euro USD pair, and we are back on the daily chart, and this time I'm going to cover Fibonacci extensions. So last time, while we had drawn the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, this time we are going to go the other way around, from the bottom to the top, and I'll explain to you why in a second. Let me zoom in here so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take the Fibonacci, go from the bottom, the peak, the low, to the high, and that's where we were last time. This was our 50-day moving average, this was our 200-day moving average, and as you can see, I've gone from the low to the high, and this is the point where we were last time, and I indicated that there would be some price hesitation. There was some action going on around here, around the 50% mark, and I had drawn, I believe, an upper resistance line right around here, and I had said we need to be careful right around here. There'll be some hesitation in price, possible reversal, and that is exactly what has happened, as you can see. Now, when such a dramatic reversal does occur, where would it continue and how far would it go? How do we know where to put our stops and limits? So let me show you the essence of Fibonacci extensions and how they can help us with something like that. So coming back here, and I can show you now, you can see there are the Fibonacci extensions, 138% and then 161%. So basically here, there is a likelihood that the candles can go all the way till the 138% level, and so we had a profit potential to go all the way from here, 70, which is in essence 32%, but all the way from here to all the way down here or here. But as it starts approaching certain levels, we need to be careful. There could be price hesitation. You can see today the candles have kind of gapped. It's very rare in Forex for the candles to gap. Let me show you what I mean when I go here. The closing price on Friday was 1.3407, and the opening price today was 1.3555. It gapped up. Usually in Forex we don't see price gaps this way, so it was amazing that we had a price gap. It indicates probably a minor correction, probably price action might go up. We should be careful. But now let's further analyze as to what could be causing this thing, this gap or this sudden reversal. Let's switch to a slightly larger time frame. This is the daily chart. Here is the weekly chart. If I click it and convert it to a weekly chart, voila, what do we find here? This is a moving average. Let me show you what moving average that is. So you can see here a simple moving average, and that is my 200-day moving average. So as you can see, that price action reached the 200-day moving average, crossed it a bit, and now it has gapped up significantly. I would not trade today. If at all I were to trade, I would go bullish today, but I would stay out of the market today. I want to see where the price action goes. If it actually crosses the 200 and closes below 200-day moving average, that could be a significant bearish signal. But so far I do not know that that's going to happen because of this huge price gap. Further, the other thing is, you can see the steep drop that has occurred all the way from here to here. It's too steep of a gap, and that usually signifies that there's going to be a correction. If the fall in action is approximately at a 45-degree angle, I'd be more comfortable with it continuing. But this is too steep of a drop. So I'm going to not trade today, stay out of the market, and see if there is a correction, and if so, it might be an upward correction, and later the price could go back and continue down, but we will have to wait and watch to see where the price action goes. So once again, it's not just about making money, but it's also about not losing money in Forex. So hopefully this has helped you. Please do visit my blog as well at www.myforexdna.blogspot.com, and feel free to post your comments, as well as please post some comments on the video itself. Hope this is helping you. If it is, please say so and post some comments.